Hey guys, welcome back to EDS Kicks. So today we have a very special sneaker unboxing. This is one of the most rarest sneaker in the world. So you guys can see it's an all black box, no labels or anything. It's a sample sneaker. This was never released to the public. Actually, it was friends and family, and then 10 pairs were given out in the Undefeated Mehidori store in Tokyo. So if you guys know what it is already, that's good. If you guys don't know, you guys will find out in about a minute. So let's get right into it. Purchased these sneakers off of StockX. Obviously, I did not go to Tokyo and win them. So yeah, I got them off StockX, as you guys can see. And this should give it away. Kobe Bryant and Undefeated logos. This is a little pouch that comes with the sneaker. So once we unzip this pouch, let's see what's inside. Actually, my first time unboxing the sneakers, so don't really know what's going to be inside these or anything, so bear with me. So inside we have some patches, and each of them say something different, so I'll just lay these out for you. So these are all patches you guys can see. So that one says Undefeated. We have a Nike one, another Nike one, Dirty, Undefeated. We have the Kobe logo right here, Kobe signature, another Kobe signature, Kobe logo, and it says play, so play dirty obviously. So yeah, those are the patches. That's all that comes inside here. As you guys can see, there's really nothing else in there. Pretty cool touch, obviously. Purchased these off of StockX. Finally, someone accepted the bid I had placed. And wow, man, these are crazy. So, wow. The paper is just white paper, nothing special. So all black box and white paper, nothing else on there. And let's get right into the shoes, man. So these are actually freaking crazy, honestly, in hands. So we have a Kobe 1 Protro flight jacket. So Undefeated did a collaboration with Kobe earlier this year, and they released a couple different colorways, like the all white, the camo pair, and these never released. So these were a friends and family pair, and as I said, they gave 10 pairs to the public in one of the Undefeated stores in Tokyo. Shit, man, like looking at them, these are crazy fire. Like the Undefeated verified authentic tag. For all the haters out there gonna say they're fake, they're not. Paid a pretty penny for these. So attached to the sneaker we have two different laces, orange one, and this one looks like a grayish, black, I guess. And then on the sneaker itself we have an all black. And then the patches that I was mentioning earlier we have on the tongue. So these are actually removable, so you can move them and put whichever ones you want, kind of like the Travis Scott Air Forces that recently came out, which I did a review on, so you guys can watch that. So I'm gonna get into some of the details of the sneaker. And I haven't seen anyone else on YouTube do this review so far, so hopefully you guys, this is the first thing for you guys. So inside of the sneakers, on the insoles, we'll start with that. We have the Kobe logo on the left pair. My camera picks that up. And then we have the Undefeated logo on the right pair. And of course the insoles are orange. And then on the back tabs we have some more labeling with the Undefeated written right here, as well as on the sneaker. And then we have the Kobe logo down here on the heels. And then of course we have the Undefeated logo right here, the 5 strike, as well as on the other pair. So this is an all suede sneaker pretty much. Like the entire upper is made of this olive suede, and it's really buttery. Like, look at that. I'm gonna move it and like, look at that. So that's really cool. It actually kind of changes colors. So this is like a lighter olive when you go this way, and then when you move your finger the other way, it's like a darker olive. The camera picks that up. So that's a really, really cool touch. So yeah, there isn't really much I could talk about other than showing you guys the sneaker. It is like really, really well crafted in my opinion. Don't know why they didn't release this colorway to the public. Definitely the hottest colorway out of all this set. The camo one was really nice as well, but yeah, this definitely I think stands out the most. You guys a quick 360 look at the sneakers. Of course, we have the black Nike swoosh. And then we have the cream midsole on the back end, carbon fiber right here, and then we have the black on the front side. So yeah, man, these are absolutely fire, man. So I mean, sorry guys, I know I've been repeating the same thing, but it's my first time actually looking at them, and I mean, goddamn, these are really fire. And then of course the outsole, we just have an all black, you know, Kobe 1 outsole, of course with the carbon fiber and the Nike swoosh right here. And then we have Zoom Air written right here. So in terms of the, you know, like the way the shoes crafted, it's similar to the ones that actually released to the public. I'm not seeing many differences, but I mean, I think the whole patch idea is really nice. How it comes like all the extra patches, the bag, you know, the color, the suede is like very premium material. Overall, again, this is just like a really sick sneaker. I do wish they actually released to the public, but had to pay a lot of money for these. This is a size 10, so let's see if we can find the label inside. I'll show you guys that to end it. I don't know if the camera will literally pick that up. But yeah, so it says made in Vietnam. You guys could read that. Let's see. Yeah, it's not picking up too well, but it says made in Vietnam. It says Kobe 1 Protro dark green black fiber or something like that. And yeah. So yeah, no size inside, which is pretty weird. But yeah, anyways. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear these yet, but if I do, I'm definitely gonna throw on these orange, you know, undefeated laces for sure. Like, I think that looks the best with it. And then the patches, I think I'm gonna leave this on because it has like the undefeated and the Kobe. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. If you did, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more. I have a lot of crazy sneakers, guys, and I usually buy crazy sneakers like this, so stay tuned and you guys will see a lot of special unboxings like this. And other than that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time.